feel like people poking on them. And the tenderness of it.
Do you have neuropathy?
Yes, very bad.
Okay. Do you
I can barely like move my toes and stuff. So.
Do you have any feeling in the bottom of your feet or the top of your feet?
I can feel you doing that, but it's like my foot's been asleep.
Okay.
That's what I compare it to.
Does it feel kind of prickly? Like a prickly sensation?
That I cannot feel. That when you did that last part,
I
couldn't feel those toes.
Okay.
At all.
Well, what we'll do is use a softener on you.
I know it's gonna hurt a little bit.
No, it shouldn't hurt, because what we'll do is soften you up real good, and then we'll clip your toenails down.
Good.
Your feet in those jets, the skin gets caught in there, and then it just shoots back out, and that's how some people get those fungal situations going on.
Yeah, because that's last time I went to the pedicurist. I mean, they actually were really mean to me, honestly.
Oh no.
Because it wasn't as bad as it is now, but they said, "Why did you wait so long?" And they didn't even actually do a proper pedicure. I understand that, and I did tell them I was diabetic.
Right.
But they didn't do exactly what they're supposed to do, and it's still remnants of the freaking toenail polish.
Yeah. Well, you got to be careful when you're diabetic, like I said.
I didn't know that, though.
Yeah, and when I soak the feet, I use the disposable liners because it's just necessary, and you just never know what's going on. So, but when you go in those places and they have those jets, you're not for sure if they're cleaning them out correctly, and then that excess skin and debris from the other client that was just there prior just shoots back into the water. And what I'd like for you to do is to take your shoes, now that we've got your feet cleaned up, your shoes, if you've had any fungal issues, the bacteria and fungi can be in your shoes. So what you can do is take your shoes, put them in the laundry, and add a cup of bleach, and bleach out your shoes, and wear clean socks with your shoes. Because as you can see, in your shoes, that's fungal, bacteria, dirt. And if you're having concerns with your feet, you definitely want to make sure that your slippers, shoes that you wear around the house, that you're wearing socks until you can get your fungal or bacterial issues with your feet in check, because all it does is transfer back to your shoes. And, you know, if you're taking topicals or creams or putting that on your feet, you won't clear up the problem until you get rid of the issues that are causing the problems, which sometimes can be your shoes, and people don't think about that, but it's a big issue as well. So take your shoes and put them in the laundry, bleach them, and put some socks on from that point on, or just get you a brand new pair.